In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a Canva design into your Wix website. This process is fairly straightforward, but ensuring everything is just right can make a world of difference in how your website looks and functions. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your design in Canva. Make sure your design is just how you like it and ready to go for embedding. This is your starting point, where your design can be brought to life on your website. Once you're satisfied with your Canva creation, you'll need to click on the Share button. It'll be up there in your top right corner. This is your gateway to getting the design out of Canva and onto your Wix site. After selecting Share, a menu will drop down, and here you want to look for the option labeled More, which is represented by 3 dots. This is where we find more advanced sharing options. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of choices. But we're zeroing in Embed. Once you choose Embed, a new option will appear prompting you to click Copy to grab that HTML embed code. This little snippet of code is what will allow your design to appear on your Wix page. Alright, we've got our code, so it's time to head over to your Wix website in the editor. Here's where you'll start to bring your design into your web space. In the Wix editor, look for the plus icon, usually found at the left side of your screen. Click that, because we're now ready to add new elements. From the menu that pops up, you'll want to select Embed. This will allow us to bring in outside content, like the beautiful Canva design you've just prepared. Under Embed, you're given a couple of options, and the right ones to select will be either Embed a widget or Embed HTML. Both will work, so choose what feels right for your setup. Now comes the crucial part, pasting your copied HTML embed code into the provided iframe box or field. This is what actually pulls your Canva design into your Wix site. After you carefully paste the code, you'll usually click something like Apply or Update to confirm. Once you've done this, your Canva design should now appear on your Wix web page. But hold on, we're almost there. It's vital to make your design looks right, so you'll need to adjust the size and position. You can do this by dragging the corners of the embedded design to resize it as needed. It's a good idea to ensure that it complements the rest of your page design. You want to make sure everything is harmonious and visually appealing, so don't hesitate to move it around until it's just right. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a Canva design into your Wix website, creating a cohesive and stylish online presence. Thanks for following along today, and I hope this guide helped make your design vision come to life on the web. Happy designing!